In this module, we will look at resulting trusts. In English law, there are trusts created where the property is not properly disposed of. It comes from the Latin resultere, which means to spring back. A resulting trust is essentially a property concept. Any property that a man does not effectively dispose of remains his own. The House of Lords described the twofold circumstances in which resulting trust arises from the 1996 case of Westdeutsche Landesbank, Giro Zentral and Islington as being a voluntary payment from A to B, wholly or in part, for the purchase of property which is vested either in A alone or in the joint names of A and B. There is a presumption that A did not intend to make a gift to B. The money or property is held on trust for A. If he is the sole provider of the money, or in the case of a joint purchase by A and B, in shares proportionate to their contributions. It is important to stress that this is only a presumption, which is easily rebutted either by the counter-presumption of advancement or by direct evidence of A's intention to make an outright transfer. The second case is where A transfers property to B on express trusts, but the trusts declare do not exhaust the whole beneficial interest. In Air Jamaica and Charlton, Lord Millett said, "A resulting trust arises whether or not the transferor intended to retain a beneficial interest. He almost always does not, since it responds to the absence of any intention on his part to pass a beneficial interest to the recipient. Resulting trusts operate on a principle of common intention, which is a combination of the settlor's intention and the trustee's knowledge that he is not intended to be the beneficiary.